I'm from Pakistan. Karachi, and as I said that I'm also a part of a training department. So we have seen many trainings, but I'm not feel any shy to say this that he was exceptionally well.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Don Sumdany Don. I just finished a 2-day long workshop in the United Arab Emirates UAE, right here at this beautiful Hilton Hotel for this amazing company called Julphar. And here are some of my amazing, beautiful participants from all across the world. So I'm going to ask them about their honest and genuine feedback about the workshop.
It was an amazing 2 days. I hope we can join again and again and again, and good luck for you and for all my colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And your name and where you're from?
My name is Adnan. I'm from Yemen and I'm working in Julphar.
Thank you.
Pharmaceutical Industries.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi sir. I am Parthiban, working with Gulf Pharmaceutical Industries, Julphar. For the past 2 days, we had a very good training session with you. It was quite inspirational and outstanding. We got a lot of eye-opening about public speaking, training, organizing training flow, engaging the audiences and making them completely engaged so that to transfer the knowledge and many aspects. Those aspects we never thought about. All these things you have taught us very nicely, and we are very, very thankful for you, and I am quite inspired to become a good speaker in the future.
Thank you.
I will update you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
A
sir.
little bit about your name and background.
My name is Parthiban. I am a chemical engineer and also biotechnologist. I am working with Gulf Pharmaceutical Industries as a team leader right now. I have 13 years of experience in Gulf Pharmaceutical Industries. Overall, I bring about 17 years of experience. But this session will add a lot of value to my profile as a person and everything. Thank you very much, sir.
And actually, training was very amazing. We have learned more skills about what all things regarding the training. And actually, Dr. Don was like I don't know how to express the words. Actually, he was a very, very, very interesting. Like we had fun and we had learned more skills how to apply our professional, and we need training section. We need more training. So hopefully I'm expecting in future we will get more action from Dr. Don. Thank you so much, and hopefully I will apply all my tools in future, and I wish to become a good trainer.
My name is 𝗂𝗶𝗆, and I'm also a part of this Julphar Gulf Pharmaceutical. And I'm also in a training department, so we have seen many trainings, but this Mr. Don's 2 days was exceptionally well, and it was a great session. So like he was interacting too much with the participants, and he was top of the mark, and I really suggest to just give a chance to Mr. Don, and you will feel something different.
Yeah,
I hope you guys attended so many trainings, but being a part of a training department, he was really special.
Thank you.
Good luck, Mr. Don, and hopefully we'll just see you again.
And where are you originally from?
I'm from Pakistan. Karachi, and as I said that I'm also a part of a training department. So we have seen many trainings, but I'm not feel any shy to say this that he was exceptionally well.
Thank you.